Happy spring to all of you.
Hippity hop, hippity hop.
Now keep in mind, this video was shot at my daughter's house. There's no music in this video, and hopefully no copyright problems.
There better not be, or we got something. No, I'm just kidding.
And my daughter has a lot of DIY projects in this one, so we better get busy and start talking.
Oh, yeah. So you want to start all the way over there, and then we can make our way back?
Okay, come on over here and start talking.
Okay, so no DIY for me here, but that rabbit there is from Tuesday morning, and super cute. And we got a pair of them.
And here's the other one.
They're a little bit different. If you saw our shopping haul, you would see that we talked about the difference.
And we'll take a picture of it.
I can see you in the mirror.
I know. I want everyone to see what I look like.
Oh. So you can see there is some difference, and but they're super cute, and they work really well with the centerpiece that my mom put together. So.
And we saw this centerpiece similar to this, not just like this, but similar. But it did have these little bunnies popping out.
Yeah.
And my daughter showed it to me, and I couldn't believe it. I went over to Dollar Tree, and guess what I saw? I wasn't even looking for it. They were there. Here we are. You want to buy?
The very next day, I showed her a picture in the evening, and the very next day she goes, "Guess what I found?"
Yes, and I bought them because I know if you don't buy it, you're gonna lose it.
Yeah, and that idea came from Pinterest. I don't remember the girl's name, but I saw it, and those little rabbits made it. So she did a really great job putting this together for this display.
And I was really happy. And my daughter did buy. Now, the flowers you see here, I have already had for 2 or 3 years, except for these little ones here with the eggs. That is something new I got. And, of course, both the bunnies. Now, the orange eggs, not eggs, what am I saying? Carrots. I've had a couple of years. Those aren't new. But my daughter bought
the gingham ones.
The gingham ones, and so they were added new. So this probably was like a $15 $15 or $16 expense, and next year it's going to be free because everything will be used already. Mm-hmm. I may add a few new flowers, but they'll probably be from my flower stash, so it'll still be free. But I love those bunnies. Aren't they cute?
Mm-hmm. They turn out really good.
Yeah, I loved them. So love it, love it, love it. Now let's go down and see what Debbie did. She did some great DIYs.
So this little flower pot I used prior, and I just added those little glasses with the roses as the eyes. I thought it was kind of cute. Because I was going to use those, I bought them because I was going to use them for a different project. I bought 2 different sizes, and the other one is going to work out better. So I thought, I'll just stick them in this little planter thing that I made. And then, so there's a story. My dad likes to give my mom a hard time. So he makes her go crazy. So I made the girl bunny with cross-eyed because she's going crazy. Isn't she cute? I made her with clay. And I made the boy with clay as well. And you see the boy, he's kind of looking away like, what? Me? I didn't say anything. I didn't do anything. That's my dad.
He likes doing me. He likes getting me all wound up to have a big fight. And then he acts like, I don't know what you're talking about.
So I put a little bow tie on him so you can see that he's the boy. And then she has the little bow so it shows she's the little girl.
Isn't that bow tie the cutest thing she made? I loved it.
So yeah, I made it all out of clay, the whole thing. It was so much fun. I used a mold for the actual bunny, and then all the other things, I made the nose, the snout, and I did all that free-handed. So it turned out really cute. They're supposed to be like little cookies, so I'll turn it to the side so you can see how it's got the...
Mm-hmm.
But I thought it would look cute here in this little...
I think it looks cuter here than it being cookies.
Yeah.
It turned out super cute. We got to use it every year.
They're so cute.
Now let's go see what I got at Annalie's place again. Our favorite person to buy stuff from. Oh my gosh, is that not the cutest pillow you've ever seen? You know, we love shopping at Annalie's as she always has something beautiful for us to enjoy.
Mm-hmm. All right.
Let's go on over here and see what else we got.
So then I I just covered my table with just a gingham plastic, just because I didn't have a tablecloth to cut up to put there. But it works out good, and then I have my...
Now this looks really pretty. What is that? This material here?
Oh, it's actually a curtain. And it looks so pretty. But that's the perfect color.
Yeah.
And I have the pink underneath as well. Just try to hide some other things underneath there. But, so it turned out good.
And here's some more. What are they called?
They're little flower pots.
They're like little Mackenzie Child faux pieces.
Yeah.
We
They
got-
came from Tuesday morning.
And another one over there.
Yep.
And the flowers did come with these. We want to keep telling you that.
Yep.
Now, let's go to the center.
So we have our hop sign Mom got
At Dollar Tree for $1.25.
Okay, very cute. And then that cute little bunny guy, it's you got that one from Annalie, right?
Correct.
And she brought it over for me to use, and it looks so cute there, his little bunny outfit on.
I thought it would be so cute for Easter, but then also thought it'd be really cute to use for Halloween, wearing the little bunny costume at Halloween time.
That's true, you can. We'll repurpose it. So I used him in my display of my chocolate bunnies that I made. And these came from Dollar Tree. And I painted them. The milk chocolate. I was going to make some dark chocolate and haven't got around to it. And then I made those little bows from clay. And then I just put a little cute little ribbon around it. And I put it in the cellophane so it looks like a chocolate lollipop.
And they're not real at all. They're
They're
photo.
not real. They're fake.
She wants to make sure she keeps me from eating too much junk.
But I thought they turned out cute. So
And
I have plans to make more.
And each one of them has a different color bow. Thought they were so cute.
This one I put like a blue in the middle of the bow for my clay. And this one just has a pink and white polka dot.
I don't think I'd like it any darker than it is because it looks really nice just because you might miss some of the detail work. Because you maybe wouldn't see the eye, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You gotta be careful, you have to have contrast.
So there's my little suckers, DIY.
And then we have some little
carrots. I just got those from Dollar Tree or somewhere, I don't know. But just, you have to have some carrots with you for your bunnies.
and then of course you have this beautiful display over here.
And that's the Mackenzie Child's blue and white pot or pitcher.
Mm-hmm.
And I just have some roses in there.
It's very pretty for spring. And then we got this little display over here.
And so that is my wine rack, and I just have to cover it up and put some stuff on top. And there's a basket full of eggs.
And I brought that over, and I've had that about 2 or 3 years, and it's probably going to make it hopefully another year or two.
Yeah, we might need to spruce up that bowl a little bit, but it's really cute.
Well,
Looks.
it's been around a while.
Yeah.
And it's actually even taking pictures out in the garden too.
Oh. And then I just threw those speckled eggs there because I needed something else to put there.
And they match pretty good.
Yeah, they're not the best quality looking, but they're okay.
And then something else from our favorite friend, Annalie.
Annalie.
And she did this beautiful egg, and she's making me 2 more, but they weren't ready for me to pick up yet. So I'm always looking for more eggs.
You want me to turn it so you can see it a little bit better? And it's really heavy. I don't know what it's made out of.
Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. Look at all the beautiful detail work she puts on everything she does.
So she decoupaged.
Yeah, I love seeing something that no one else is going to have.
Yeah.
So these are all one-of-a-kind items.
So pretty.
Well, I guess we should say bye for now, but we have some more videos coming up next week, so make sure you come back, guys.
Yeah.
Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie. And
Bye.
hope to see you again soon, my awesome friends.